Okay, so see, today we are going to see this question on GFG POTD, linked list group reverse. So this is like we are given the head of a linked list and our task is to reverse every k node in the linked list. So if the number of nodes is not a
can show the left ones out. जैसे कि we have 1 2 2 4. Okay, 1 2 2 4. Okay, and 5 6 and 7, and 5 6 and 7. So we need to reverse it, and my k value is given as 4. My k value is given as 4 to me. So basically what this question means to me is that in a pair of 4, so this is a pair of 4, right? This is a pair of 4. So I need to reverse it. That means 4 2 2 1, right? Again, see, as this is like less than 4, then we can just reverse it as simply. It's not like we have to return 5 6 7. We can just reverse it simply. So it will be 7 6 and 5. Basically this. And the only addition to this is like previously the question on 18th January lead code was like we had to reverse the complete one, and here only the addition is like our k value is given. Okay, so basically we will be using previous, we will be using current, we will be using next. Our previous will be pointing towards like null. Okay, our current will be pointing towards the first value. Okay, and my next will be pointing towards current ka next value. Okay, current ka next value. Now my task is that basically, supposingly, you are given next. Okay, you are given next. So like I have to remove this next, and then I have to put in 3. Supposingly I have a link here in linked list. Okay, and my next is here, and my current is here. So I have to break it. So I have to break it basically. Okay. So now let's come and see this code. Okay, basically first thing which we can do is handle one edge case. If head is null, then we can just return null. Okay, then we are going to take a node previous which is declared as null. We are going to take node current which is declared as head. We are going to take a node next node which again we are going to declare as null. ठीक है. Now int count is equal to 0. Now supposingly the only thing which I need to do is I will be keeping a counter variable. I will be keeping a counter variable so that I can check the number of count of the k and then update it. Okay. So till my count is less than k, till my count is less than k, what can I do? I can do my next node is equal to current dot next, as I said. ठीक है. So here we will be storing the next element. Okay. And then my current dot next will point to previous, so it will be reversing the current node's point. So we will be reversing the current node's point, and then my previous, then we will move the previous node forward, and then we will be moving the current pointer. ठीक है. After this I will be incrementing my count value, and suppose if my next node, suppose if my next node is not equal to null, in that case my head dot next, then in that case we will be just returning this above wala group. Okay, we will be just returning next node along with k, so that we can convert it at the end. Okay, so that we can convert it at the end. So basically what we are doing in this is that we are recursively we are recursively calling the remaining nodes, and then we are connecting the end of the reverse group to call the next reverse group. Okay, and now basically what we will be doing is returning we will be returning this we have to return the previous node, right? Yes. So let's just return previous, and let's see, and let's submit this code. Basically, this is a simple one only if you know the reverse of a linked list concept, where we are going to use three variables overall: previous, current, and next. Okay, so yes, thanks for watching this video.